Hello viewers, how are you viewers? I hope you are fine viewers. Today I will discuss with you matter waves. Matter waves are a central part of the theory of quantum mechanical being half of wave particle dilating all matter exerts wave-like behavior. For example, a beam of electrons can be diffracted just like a beam of light or a water wave. The matter wave describes the relationship between momentum and wavelength. The wavelength is inversely proportional to the movement, mass and velocity of the particle. The smaller the wavelength of the matter wave, the faster the particle moves. The de Broglie wavelength increasing as the particle become lighter. A wave is associated with each moving particle, which is called a matter wave. A wave transports information or energy in the manner of signals from one point toward another, although no tangible thing travels within properties of matter waves. Matter waves do not have electromagnetic properties. Because electrons behave as waves, they can be used to illuminate objects in a manner similar to light. An electron microscope is an instrument that takes advantages of this situation. Electrons are given energy by accelerating them in a manner similar to way a TV tube works. According to the de Broglie concept of matter waves, the matter has dual natural. It means when the matter is moving, it shows the wave properties like interference, diffraction are associated with it, and when it is in the state of rest, then it shows particle properties. Thus, the matter has dual nature. Also called matter waves, any aspect of the behavior or properties of the material object that varies in time or space in conformity with the mathematical equation that describe wave. In the case of electromagnetic waves, no medium is required for the energy to travel across. As mentioned earlier, common examples of mechanical waves are waves, water waves, sound waves, and seismic waves. There are three types of mechanical waves: transfer waves, longitudinal waves, and surface waves. Matter waves are similarly not made of anything, they simply represent the wave-like behavior of things we treat as soul, mass, electrons. The whole point of wave particle duality is that you cannot separate one from the other. Four characteristics of matter waves. Matter waves are not electromagnetic in nature. Matter waves represent the probability to find a particle in space. Matter waves are independent of the charge on the material particle. Electron microscope works on the basis of de Broglie waves. They all have speed. If we build a wave packet from plane waves of the above from the speed of the wave packet is c. This relationship between and k, ck is called the dispersion relation for the photons in where free space. Particles can move with any speed. The key different electromagnetic wave and matter wave is that the electromagnetic waves have electric and magnetic waves associated with them, whereas the matter waves do not have any associated electric and magnetic field. Because materials wave characteristics are only visible for extremely small objects, the de Broglie wavelength of the double slit interference pattern is created with electron as the source. De Broglie wave light for 10 electron waves the normal electric of an electron in an electron microscope. Example of matter waves. Matter waves are the central part of the theorem of a quantum mechanism. Mama, being half of wave particles due to all exist wave-like behavior. For example, a beam of electrons can be diffracted just like a beam of light. or a water wave. Thank you so much guys. Please subscribe my channel, like my video. Thank you so much for watching.